Well, howdy guys, I'm back again. Why it took me so long? I'm depressed. Let's get started. So I'm just starting off with a yellow face paint and my Real Techniques blending sponge. It's wet, she moist because, well, it's water activated face paint. We need water. But I'm just picking up a lot of color and I'm just placing the product wherever my heart desires. All I'm doing here is bouncing the sponge on my skin until I get the color pretty opaque. And I'm not really blending the edges because once I add the other colors, it's all gonna mesh together. Now I'm going in with some shades from my Mayron palette and I'm just placing the color right next to where I placed the previous color, and then a little bit further to the left or a little bit further to the right. It's really up to you because once the majority of your face is covered in face paint and you begin to incorporate those other mediums like glitter or gold flakes, it becomes and it just takes us to another level. Another level! Here I just blended out some rough edges with my pinky. And I just wanted to say, hell yeah, I've been using the same sponge this entire look. I got up about 10 GD times to rinse this sponge out. Am I spongy frugal or am I lazy? Who knows? For some reason, the lighting changed drastically for the entire application of this light purple. I'm so sorry I look like Shrek. If this happens to you, for example, where the product builds up a little too much and another area becomes really splotchy, really choppy, what I recommend is to rinse out your sponge completely, get it kind of damp, and then blend over it again. It'll take the product away, but at least you have a smooth surface to work on again, and then you can build the product back up. What I'm doing here is I'm going over blending any extra harsh edges and building up the opacity of any area of my face that needs a little more vibrance. Wow, she's going in with eyeshadows now. So I have this big fluffy brush here. This one's from Amazon. I'm taking this color from Suva Beauty and I'm just placing it on the very outer corner of my eye and I'm dabbing it pretty much, as you can tell, and I'm making a cloud shape and blending it outward. Well, not blending it outward, bringing it outward. And the best way to make this work without choppiness is just working with a little bit of product at a time. Now with a clean fluffy brush, I'm going in with a new color. I'm going in with the pink from Suva Beauty, and I'm placing that in the inner corner, more under it. Later on I'm going to place it fucking everywhere like I usually do. And I'll post the names of these brushes down below. Like this one's from Wet n Wild, and she is fucking filthy, I'll tell you that much. But this is my face, and I usually do sanitize my brushes with alcohol if I don't wash them on schedule. Anyway, I'm just blending this color up into my brow. As you can see, I did not have a plan. I'm just going at it. I'm just placing it on the outer corners of my mouth. As you can tell, my lips are so crusty, lips are so dusty, but it's fine because I'm gonna put on lip gloss and mask my fucking flaws. Sorry, I don't know what came over me. Anyway, dab, blend, blend, dab, blah, 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 dab, blend to achieve the cloudiness. It will look like Beetlejuice for a moment, but once you add the gold flakes, you're a new man. My white face paint, and I'm using this very wet brush from Real Techniques. It's angled. You can do this with a toothbrush. I end up switching over to a more dense brush, and it's a little bit bigger too. But the best way to do this, an old ass toothbrush. Okay, not an old ass. Maybe get like a cheap toothbrush. I don't know. I'm just throwing shit out there. But I'm pretty sure I have included in an older tutorial on how to do the speckles, and there are a multitude of videos online on how to do them. Like, I'm pretty fucking sure Bob Ross can even teach you how to do these. And now with the sharper edge of that brush, I'm just dabbing and making more goddamn clouds. What's new? I've been making clouds this entire damn video. But no, they don't need to be perfect. I think that's what I love so much about this look, is that I added everything just so carelessly, and adding these little details just bring it all together. I love that. is the best part of the entire thing. Gold flakes and gold flakes. I'm just using the NYX glitter primer to adhere it because you know that's my fave. What I love about the gold leaf is that if the gold leaf looks a little too neat, like it leaves a little more texture going on, all I have to do is nudge it a little with my finger. It rolls up and you got a little more dimension there. That's what I love about this gold leaf. Yo, this music is hella dramatic right now. I did not listen to the whole thing before I downloaded. I don't even think I fucking like it, but here it is, boy. You know I gotta get this video up. Sorry about my nails again, but you guys came to see my face and not my nails, and this is not Yes Nails LA. This is me receiving a PR package. Tati Lashes, thank you so much for this beautiful PR package. I love you. And now for the last touch, lip gloss. This is my favorite lip gloss from NYX. It's fucking amazing. It's opaque, and that's the look. Thank you for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe. Please follow my Instagram. You guys are probably from Instagram. Thank you so much for being patient with me and waiting like a month for this video. I don't know what's come over me, but I'm back again. Bye, guys.